Hey all, vanakkam, namaskaram, everybody. King, how are you all? Welcome to my vlog again. It's been long time. मतलब I don't remember और क्या था मेरा opening lines. My God, that's bad. But anyways, so yeah, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's vlog. आज का vlog कुछ special है. Why? Because I'm getting my bike, that is a KTM Duke 390, why I call Snowflake, a new wrap. So I ordered it from this guy. It's called what do you call it? Barageness, जो भी है. So I've ordered a special, not a special kit, but it is a kit already available. It was on the Adventure 390, but I wanted that on the Duke 390 because MotoGP fan, KTM fan, right? So it's an inspiration from the MotoGP, MotoGP wala theme. So I guess by now you guys would have understood and also seen the thumbnail. But so yeah, that is a Red Bull kit that I've ordered, but with a little tip of customization that I won't say now, that you guys will get to see as we go ahead. So let's go ahead. There's a shop here that is called Stickers Up. I'll go there, I'll show you guys which shop it is. So I contacted him yesterday, so he was good enough to say yeah, come down, because these guys are already in touch with him. So whoever gets the wrap from them, go there here. So yeah, where am I? I'm in Bangalore. Yes, currently I moved to Bangalore due to work reasons. So I live here in Bangalore now. So filal, let's go and I'll show you guys how it's gonna how the process is. I mean, everyone must have seen, but yeah, let's go and start. So yeah guys, finally we are here at sticker 90 sticker shop in which area, bro? Sorry? Hanumanta Nagar, here in Bangalore, and he is the owner, Mr. Satish. Very kind guy and very helpful. So he just started the job. Seems to be pretty quick at what he does. He's just doing it on the go. I'm pretty much excited. So it already starting to look good. Just a sneak peek there. The fender is being done. So keep watching, guys. I hope even y'all would like.
Years later.
Hey guys, welcome back. That day I couldn't complete the vlog. The work wasn't complete that day. What had happened exactly is so this panel, you see this panel this side, this panel is empty, right? So what happened was there was some kind of coating on that, clear coat. So there was some kind of clear coat on that, which we didn't know. So after service stuck, then only he got to know it was not sticking. When he removed it came out. So then we removed the that clear coat. This side we removed after knowing that side. So this side is perfectly fine. So today then the Barageness he was good enough. So just give me that one more portion that you see. You see he's doing it right now. So this part. Yeah. So thanks to Satish also, he's getting it done. I mean, I brought it here all the way. Got fully wet. So this is the bike. This is the KTM REDBULL livery that I liked. After I got inspired by MotoGP. So how is it, guys? Let me know in the comment section. This is my number. It's So if you know, I named my bike as Snowflake. So I had got this snowflakes little bit integrated into the design, so that her name is there, the Snowflake name is there, then my number 19 and Insta handle and YouTube handle, Black Visor as well. So yeah, Satish, I have a few ideas in mind. Like I want to get the rim sticker done. So next is that. Once he finishes sticking that, next we'll sit and we'll design the rim sticker. Also, you do this PPF, no, Satish, for the helmet visor. I saw him today. He was putting a PPF for the helmet visor, so I'll get that done as well. So I'm getting one more thing done. I actually saw some few pictures and all. So this is what I'm getting it done. Getting the DRL with the blue film. I'll show you guys. I'll show you how it will look, but I hope it goes well with the. So this actually now he put one layer. Now he is putting another layer on top to make it more darker, like I said. This is how it's looking. Full blue, nice. We will get the other side also done. Looks nice. Done. I actually really liked it. It looks really nice. When you see it in person, it's totally giving me the like it's fully done. And this was the part that had to be stuck, and now it is fully done. And the bike is complete. So what I'm getting done now is just for the visor, doing a PPF. PPF layer for the visor and cool. So there you go, finally done. This was one. But rim sticker can't do because it was raining, and he says don't want, it might come out, so I'll do it next time. So finally all the work is done, whatever I wanted. And thank you so much, Satish, for all the work. His details, everything, I'll give it down. Anyone in Bangalore can always contact Satish for all stickering work. Be it two-wheeler, four-wheeler, everything Satish will do. Oh, sorry, bike. I saw some cars were beautiful, right, but mainly for bikes he'll do. So yeah, contact Satish and links in the description.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop me, cause my grind's contagious.